Hi, in this video we are going to see how to install the XAMPP and how to do the PHP configuration on Mac PC. So first go to the browser. Here you can type XAMPP download. Here you can select the Mac version. Once you select the version, it will start out the downloading. Now it's done. After download the XAMPP, you have to give the permission. Let's see how to give it. So go to the system settings. And then go to the privacy and security. Scroll down the menu. Go to the security section. Now click it. Then double click the icon. Here you can give the permission. Click open anyway. Then click the open. Then click next. Now the installation will be started. Now click the finish. Now the XAMPP will be opened. So this is a procedure for how to install the XAMPP in Mac PC. So next we will see how to do the configuration. So go to the Finder and then go to the applications, then go to the XAMPP, htdocs. Here you can create the folder project. Copy the project folder and paste here. So this is your project folder. Here you can give the permission. So right click the project folder and then go to the get info. Here you can click the read only, then give read and write. Then tick the share folder. So that the same procedure we can do the web folder. Next go to the launchpad. Here you can open the XAMPP control panel. Then go to the manage server. Here you can start the MySQL database and Apache web server. Once it is running, then go to the welcome. Then click the go to application. Then click the PHP.ini. Here you can create your database, or else go to the browser. Here you can type localhost PHP.ini. Here you can create your database. Now go to the Visual Studio Code. Here you can open your project folder. Then go to the readme text. Copy the DB name. Enter here. Now you can import the SQL file. Now the SQL file will be imported. Then copy the project URL and paste to the browser. So this is a procedure for configuring the PHP project on Mac PC.